Alright, so here's how to replace the battery on this first generation 2001, 2002, 2003 Toyota Prius key fob. Alright, so first what you want is a flathead screwdriver or a thin flat tool like this key. Alright, and then at the top here you have this little gap, so you just get the tool in there. Alright, and then you just twist this. That's how you kind of pop the two layers apart, just like that. Once you get that, just separate the two layers. You'll see the key like this, the battery. And to get the battery out, I just use my fingernail. You can use whatever flathead tool. Alright, if you're going to use a flathead screwdriver, just be careful because this is metal. It might work, you can actually use a magnet, but again, fingernails work really well. Just get it in that gap and then pull the battery out, just like that. And here you can see it's a CR 2016. There you go. So CR 2016. All right, then to put it back, just slide it here into the spring-loaded clip area, slide it over and click it into place, and there you go. And then just get the two layers, close it back up and click it back together, and that's it. All right, hopefully this video helped you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.